lovely people, today I'm back here again with another healthy gbomma stew, and I know you love it. So you just sit down and enjoy. So I have my gbomma here, my fresh tomatoes, my salmon, my agushi, onion, and then my seasoning. This is account. So I boil water, I add my account to it, then I add my gbomma inside. Then I'll cover it and cook it till the time the gbomma is very soft. So while the gbomma is cooking, I start by blending my fresh tomatoes down. Now let me check the gbomma is ready. Yes, it's ready. I'll just save it and put it aside to become cold. So now add my pot to the fire, then I pour my red oil inside. The oil is hot, then I go in with my chopped onion. So I'll fry this to the time the onion is bringing out that nice aroma. I go in with my seasoning, that's onion, ginger, garlic, and pepper. I fry it like 2 minutes and I go in with my fresh tomatoes. It's not difficult to make this stew, it's just that if you know how to make contour stew, you are good to go. So now the gbomma is cold, so I'm squeezing it to remove that water from inside. Then I'll cut it with the Guys, I've done cutting my gbomma, then I'm transferring it back to the plate. So this is how it looks like. Now back to the stew. Let me check it and start seasoning it. So I'm using Maggi. You can use any kind of seasoning of your choice. That's complete seasoning. And I need my stew hot, so I'm adding some chili pepper. Hey, because I am mama hot. So if you don't like your stew to be hot, don't add this one. So I stir it to everything and combine very well. Then I go in with my salmon. You can use I'll cover it like 2 minutes, then I'll come and check it. It's not ready, so I'll cover it again for 2 minutes more. Voila! Now it's ready. It's time to add our gbomma. So at this point the gbomma is ready, the stew is ready, so you no need to cook it for long time again because the stew is ready already. Can you see how this stew is looking nice? This stew is very healthy and delicious. I hope you are going to try it. Try it and let me know your results at the comment section. Guys, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. Share the video, give yourself a thumbs up. Like the video, subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this. So I'm using this soap, this series excellent. Sorry I cannot share how I make this excellent. I promise in the next video I will share with you how I make my excellent. So I'm tasting it for you. This is so delicious. Thank you so much guys for watching up to this point. I really appreciate it. Until I see you in my next